guys, it's Abby in the garage, and today we're taking a look at the UWS Hammerhead Transfer Tank, and I've got Jeff here with me from the Kirk Group to talk about it. So tell me a little bit about this tank and sort of the benefits of it.
Well, first off, Abby, thank you for having me in this opportunity. So our Hammerhead tank is quite unique in being that it's first of all universal. It fits all full-size trucks, but what's more unique about it is its narrow base. It will fit long and short bed trucks. It fits in between the wheel wells, which is quite nice. It has 100-gallon capacity, and we build this in both diamond plate aluminum and 14-gauge steel. The diamond plate aluminum, we have two finishes. It's a high gloss black and a bright finish. And then with the more commercial graded steel, we do it in a matte black and white. It has a reinforced collar. It comes with a vented lockable cap, and it has fully welded internal baffles which prevent any sloshing, which is quite nice. It has a drain cap so you can completely drain it down at the bottom, which is removable. And again, it's just a really solid commercial grade piece of equipment here.
And because this is something that's in the back of our truck and probably seeing some elements, what kind of warranty are we looking at?
So we offer a limited lifetime 1-year finish warranty.
Overall, the installation of this is not all that difficult, and it won't take you that much time. There are some different options, so we would rate this about a 2 out of 10 on the difficulty scale. But Jeff, if you could kind of highlight how that differs between the aluminum and the steel.
Well, being aluminum is a softer material, we don't even put holes in the tabs. There's 2 tabs down at the bottom, and it's really up to the end user and the hardware they want to use with this. Some prefer to use a self-tapper into the bed of the truck, and some will drill actually and go underneath and bolt it in. And then on the steel version, there's already holes aligned, and basically you're just using hardware again. So it's a fairly simple process.
Thanks so much for watching our video. Today we took a look at the UWS Hammerhead Transfer Tank. If you have any questions or comments, be sure to leave those below. Also check out the description below for product information and numbers, as well as a link to our dealer locator where you can find a dealer near you who would be more than happy to help you with the purchase or installation of this product. If you like the video, be sure to give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe so you never miss when we post new videos. Thanks so much for watching again. This has been Total Truck Centers in the Garage.